Hey guys, this is Paul with Marine Connection. Today we're out on this beautiful 2026 Pathfinder 2700 opening. Whether you're wanting to run offshore and do some serious fishing or stalk the shallows, this boat does it all. Come on board, let's take a look. So Pathfinder has built its reputation as a leader in bay boats. Rugged, versatile, and designed for the anglers. Want to go offshore, want to go in the shallows, you can have the confidence having a serious quality boat that can do it all. So Pathfinder designs everything around fishability. There's no sitting here searching for your rods, searching for your tackle gear. Everything is easy to get to. On the leading post, you have an aquarium view live well, plenty of rod holders. You also have a live well in your stern, big swim platform, and seating in the back for your passengers running offshore. So here at the helm, you'll find a clean, ergonomic background. You have your choice of electronics on this one. All your switches, gauges, everything's easily visible, easy to get to. Yamaha electronic steering. This one has the second tower option. You have all your controls. So if you're in the shallows looking for fish, easy visibility. So moving forward to the bow, you have a huge casting deck up here. Over 120 gallons of dry storage, 16 rod holders along the gunnels. So no matter where you're at on the boat, you can fight your fish. Got your LED lighting in the front and JL audio, plenty of room, guys. So one thing you're really gonna notice about the Pathfinder is the fit and finish. This thing is built for years of solid use. From your non-skid to your hardware, all your hinges, even the gaskets around your hatches. Everything is built to withstand the elements and withstand fishing. For those serious anglers that want one boat that'll do it all, whether you're inshore, offshore, or just family fun, Pathfinder 2700 Open is hard to beat. For Marine Connection, I'm Paul. Thanks for coming aboard and hope to see you on the water.